In this video, let's talk about the tasks that can be performed on the different assets. There are two types of tasks: reactive tasks, which we call activity, and maintenance, the regular preventive maintenance tasks, which we call PM. So it starts with the asset users, and it's of course constrained to the asset users. Finance users have nothing to do with it. So against each of these asset users can go to the view assets list, and against each of these assets, they have an option to either add an activity, that's a reactive maintenance task, or add PM schedule, that's a preventive maintenance task. So either way, they can click on this links and add the details of this tasks, and whether it's a reactive maintenance or a preventive maintenance schedule, they can just add the preventive maintenance schedule also, and once that is added, it appears right from their dashboard. So right from the dashboard, you can see these two links: preventive maintenance due in the next 30 days and activities due in the next 30 days. So either way, they can click on any of them. They can click here. Let's take a look at the activities, and it works exactly the same way. So they click on the activities due in the next 30 days. Then once they do the activity, they click on this add report. If it's a preventive maintenance, they'll have an add report. So they'll fill in this report fields and submit it, and then the task is considered completed.